What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake, and I am at the marina today. I'm going to be trying to catch some bass. I have this big swim bait that I want to try out as well, so I'm going to be trying to make something happen with that. I haven't caught a bass in probably about a week and a half, so hopefully we catch some bass today. It is a little chilly this morning. It is currently 9:40 in the morning, but hopefully we can get to catching some fish. Let's get to it. Alright everyone, so I'm going to be starting off right here in this area, and water clarity is actually really good today. I was seeing a lot of bait fish and like bluegills and stuff up shallow, so I'm assuming these fish are going to be feeding up shallow. I have no idea though. It was pretty chilly this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Cinco, try and figure out the depth of these fish, see where they're feeding, see if I can get any to bite. The sun is out and the weather is kind of cool right now, but they should be feeding. I saw some fish bust right now, so the bite should be on theoretically. Usually around this time of year, these bass are stocking up for the winter because they don't like to be as active in the winter. So bigger fish come out to feed, and it's just a matter of finding them, finding out what depth they are. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be trying to figure that out, see where they're at, and then try out the swim bait that I have. It's pretty big swim bait, so I want to be throwing that like around the docks and stuff, so hopefully you can catch a fish on that. I've never caught a fish on a swim bait that big, but I'll give it a shot either way and see if we can land one. Oh, I got bit. That was a bite. I think he has it. Oh, I had him instantly. That's up shallow. That's like in a foot of water. See if he wants it again. I honestly thought it was going to be pretty hard to catch fish or to even get a bite. That's good, everybody. First bite of the day. At least I know that they're pretty shallow. Well, at least that fish was. It could have been small, I don't know, but it was pretty shallow next to that old grill right there. The lake is starting to go up a bit, so the things that were not underwater before are now underwater. This cove is getting bigger, so hopefully the water keeps going up, because that's a good thing for this lake. It was pretty low. Yeah, that fish was in about a foot of water or 2 feet, not even that deep. He was just hanging out by this old grill right here. Alright everybody, so seeing as I just didn't catch anything that whole cove, I'm gonna fish right here a bit, and then I'm gonna take out the big swim bait and fish around these docks and see if I can land a fish. And then after that I might cross the lake. I don't know, not too sure. I might fish the cove right here to the right. Just depends on how this goes, and I'm just trying to land a bass, everybody, so give it a shot, see if I can catch one. I'm getting bit. Come on, take it. It's small, but take it. There we go, everybody. First fish of the day. Come on. Come on. Get in here, buddy. Wow, that was up shallow. They are up shallow, everybody. Really shallow. I saw another fish shoot off. Wow, I have been fishing for a while now. I'm gonna try and land another one, but might be a little hard. There we go, first fish of the day. Not a giant, I'll take it. Probably as big as my worm, I don't care. I haven't caught a largie in about a week and a half, so this feels pretty good. Go ahead and let this fish go. There he goes. See if we can catch another one. All right, everybody, so I've been fishing for about, I don't know, it's currently 11 and I started at 9 something, and I just caught that fish. So I've been fishing shallow, and I was about to fish deeper, but I came back in this cut. I saw one fish spook off when I hooked that fish, and I saw another like 2.5, 3 pounder spook off. I spooked them off by accident. So they're up pretty shallow. I saw one up shallow by the dock, so it's just a matter of catching them. I think maybe somebody could have came in the morning on their kayak and fished that cove, and that's why I wasn't really catching anything and I only got one bite. Or it could be that I've just been pressured so much lately that there's no fish there. So I caught one right here in this area, and there's fish up shallow, so I'm gonna keep fishing up shallow, see if I can land another one. Hopefully I do, though. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna fish deep today or not. I'll give shallow another shot and see if we can land another one. Hopefully we do. Hopefully that's not the only fish we catch in this video. I'll try my best, but we'll see. Oh, that's a fish. I thought I was hung up. That's a big fish. That's a fish. That's either he's got me wrapped up in something or it's decent. It's decent. It's decent. It's decent. Gotta get the net. Decent. Yep, it's a decent sized fish. Come on. There we go, everybody. That's like a 3.5. Not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. I was saying earlier how these big fish come out to feed and stock up for winter, and I was wondering where they were at. Not gonna lie. There's a beaver right there. Beaver lives here. This is insane. Look at the size of that fish. I'm gonna go ahead and get a weight on this guy too. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, 3.5, honestly. Tail's bloody. I have no idea what. I don't think it's spawning season. Go ahead and get a quick weight on this guy. Oh wow. I really thought this fish was like 3 pounds. He's just a super long fish. Nice fish. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. That thing just annihilated my bait, honestly. There he goes. I didn't think I was gonna catch another fish or even land a fish of that size. Oh my god. I thought that today was gonna be pretty sucky because this morning the weather was pretty cool, pretty chilly, and I usually don't fish good in chilly situations, but that is amazing. I really thought that fish looked bigger though, honestly. Let me know down in the comments below if you think that fish was bigger than 2 pounds. Maybe my scales messed up, but that fish looked way bigger than 2 pounds. But I'll keep fishing, see if I can land another one. I don't think I'm gonna be able to land a fish bigger than that or even land another fish, but I'll give it a shot and see if I can land one. That fish didn't even bite. He just took it, and he kind of got me wrapped up in all these branches. That's why he felt so big. So I was kind of scared that it was gonna be a huge fish, but it wasn't. Leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions on fishing in the winter. I would love to know what kind of baits y'all use, as to what depth and all that, because I struggle in the winter to fish, and it's always a struggle for me in the winter. I always catch fish in the summer, spring, like usually around fall where it's not too cold, but when it gets to pretty cold weather, I struggle a lot to catch these fish. It's partly, you know, fish are not always active in the winter, and it's very hard for me to catch them. So let me know down in the comments below if you have any suggestions towards catching fish in the winter, because I suck at that and winter's coming up and I really need some tips to make some videos for y'all and try and catch fish this winter, because usually when winter comes around, like I said, I'm not good at catching fish. So drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to look at that. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught 2 fish in total. Pretty good day. I tried to catch a fish with that big swim bait, but I just couldn't make it happen. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future content just like this. I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.